everyone, welcome back to the channel. I just want to talk to you about an exciting development on my webpage, femaleprepper.com. I've added a free resources page. You'll see there's the essentials page to go, stuff to go and buy that you need, but this is knowledge-based stuff that you can't really buy. So if you sign up for the opt-in offer, you can get my ebook, which is 3 Essential Survival Skills for Australian Women. That's about 26 pages of information for you there. And then you can do the female archetype quiz, which will tell you which archetype you have the strengths in. And also that will then demonstrate where you have weaknesses. Then you can go and get the skill sheets. Now you can get them all if you want, but they're crisis planners. So what your archetype should do at the very beginning of a crisis. I hope it's helpful. I hope you enjoy it. Reach out and let me know if you do. Leave a comment below. Ask me for something else and I'll see if I can create it. Anyway, have a great day. Thrive to survive. Talk to you soon.